Do you realize that the white rice is really useful for your skin? This is because rice is high in the acid called squalene that cleanses your skin and helps your body to supply collagen, which helps your skin maintain a healthy and shiny look. Squalene can also repair and protect your skin from damage from the sun, since the sun damage can cause wrinkles. Rice can help revive your skin. Mask for your face is often made with rice to help make wrinkles disappear and make your skin looks great. To prepare a mask, you will need 3 tablespoon rice, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon honey. Instruction: boil rice and strain. Forget the water where rice is boiled. Add hot milk into rice and blend. Stir the mixture well. Add honey. Apply the mask to the clean skin and let the air dry. Start masks and wash your face with water. Use water where rice is boiled. Repeat at least once every week for full benefits and it looks 10 years younger. Tips: save your rice water in the refrigerator, then dispose after 4 days. Use rice water twice every day, in the morning and in the evening, as a face lotion. Freeze rice into ice molds and use water to massage to your face. You will also use frozen rice water for skin ice care. If you want a video, give a thumb and share with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.